Right, so we're in Trenchtown today. Okay, look at these magnificent murals here behind me. Delroy Wilson, Rita Marley. Just look at these murals. Peter Tosh, Bob Marley, Bunny Wailer. What can I say? Trenchtown, come down here. Trenchtown Cultural Yard, Vincent Ford Tata, Emperor Haile Selassie. Alright, Trenchtown Cultural Yard. You can come down here, have a tour of the Culture Yard. Then I went across the road and I was able to see about the cricketer, Collie Smith. There is a monument to him across the road, a really nice monument. So yeah, Trenchtown Culture Yard, give us a call, Onestop Cultural Tours. We'll bring you down here. You can have 3 types of tours in Trenchtown Culture Yard. You can have the basic tour, you can have a tour, this is First Street, so you can have a tour up to 7 streets. But yeah, what can I say? Trenchtown Culture Yard, give us a call. Look at us. What is there not to love about Jamaica?